Hello, I'm Melissa and welcome to Teacher Inspiration Station. So it's that time of year again where I pick up my teacher happy planner, and this happens usually at the end of May. That's when they have the new stock out. And I've been one of those people who go on the Michael's website. I keep searching and checking if it's available. And yesterday, Saturday, I checked and they said they had them. They had the teacher planners. And I was like, I'm going right now. So I got dressed and I went. But I have a confession to make. When I got there, I was a little underwhelmed. The selection was limited. The shelves looked a little scanty. I didn't see Happy Planner stickers. I just saw a few planners, and they had other planners too, but I was only interested in the teacher section. And I was just like, wah, wah, wah. Like it was just like, eh. It just wasn't as great as it was in previous years. So yeah. And then the selection that they had, there was nothing that I was excited about. Like sometimes I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. No, not this time, not this time. But I did grab a planner because that's what I was there for. And I'm not sure if that was just my Michaels or if they're gonna get more and they're just starting to stock up. I don't know, but I just remember in years past where I go, they just have everything set up. They have the planners, they have accessories, they have the stickers, and it was just fun to kind of just go through. But I was like in and out in like 10 minutes, so yeah, whatever. But anyways, it's fine, it's fine. So here is the planner that I picked up, and it's cute. It's not typically what I go for. It just has red. I like red, but I'm not like a huge red person. I say that with my red lipstick on. But I love pinks, and they also had this floral one, which was a lilac purple, and I almost got that one, but I didn't because, I don't know, it just didn't give me teacher vibes. It kind of just gave me spring vibes, and I'm like, it's not gonna be spring the entire school year. But yeah, I just went with this one because it was just like a typical teacher planner. So it is cute. I do like the dividers in it, and I'm gonna do a little flip through in a moment. And yeah, let's see what's inside. And I also okay, so here's the planner. I already cut off the sides there. Oh, I didn't do it on the bottom here. Ah, where's my scissors? I was like, oh, I'm all prepared. I cut the sides. Yeah, no. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'll just take everything out like this. I think last year they gave us 2 sticker sheets, and I think this year we're getting 3. Ah, yes we are. Okay, so that's good. So let me just move these. 3 sticker sheets. Okay, so this one here, these are pencils. I don't know if this was supposed to spell a word or something, but it looks like some cursive writing. It probably is just a design. Really cute though. Scissors, paper clips, and push pins. I do like this a lot. Great. I'm happy. And then we have here, teachers help us grow. Pencil it in, list it out. Teachers plant seeds of knowledge that last a lifetime, and teaching is a work of art. Very cute, inspirational stickers. Sorry, my son is sick, so you may hear him coughing in the background. Not COVID, but yeah, he is not feeling well. But anyway, he said I can film. Right, Bubby? And then these ones here, take note, remember, and some bullet stickers here with heart, stars, and an exclamation mark. So that's cute. I do like that. Yay. I'm happy. And then we have here some envelopes. This one says inspire. This is nice. You can slip little stickers in here. Something flat because it isn't very thick. I actually think maybe, you know, you can put some money up in here. That's cute. You have a little savings thing going outside of your planner, I guess, but inspire. I like that. That's new. I don't think they did these any other year. Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. Very nice. Yeah, or like bills, receipts, whatever. You can do a lot. Lists. You can put some lists in here or whatever. I do like that. And then we have here, the future depends on what you do today. Very true. I remember one year I was like, oh, there's some marks on this. And someone told me in the comments that you actually have to peel the layer off. I was like, oh, I didn't know that. So for those of you who don't know, I'm telling you, it's a protective film on top that you can peel. See, here we go. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay. It's not completely peeled off, but it's easy to just get those off at the sides there. But anyways, that's that. And then this is a folder. They always give us a little pocket folder. You can't fit like a regular size piece of paper in here, but you can, it's okay for other things. Inspire the next generation. I like that. That's cute. Very cute. I'm happy. I'm happy. I think this year they gave you a decent amount of extras. Last year, not so much, but this year it's okay. I'm okay. I'm happy. Anyway, the star of the show, the planner. Teachers help us grow. Really cute with the apple there. I also actually ended up getting expander discs, which I cannot find at the moment. Oh, here it is. Yes, because I always change out the discs. So these ones are gold, and there's some gold on here, so it matches. Yeah, so I will change that. I'm not doing that today. I'll do that in a future video, like a setup video. I'll do that. So anyway, that's it. I really like this effect. It looks like it's painted with little different shades of red and a bit of pink. I do really like that. And it says here, welcome to your happy planner. And it explains the teacher layout. Okay, teacher edition belongs to your name, room number, school, and address. Do whatever you want with that. 2022, 2023 set of goals. They have the academic calendar, which I don't use. I just use my phone, but it's good that it has it because it's a calendar. School schedule, school start, recess, lunch, recess, school ends, and reliable students, reliable teachers, additional notes. This is for like a substitute teacher, but I don't really use that for supply teacher. They don't really use my planner or have access to my planner. So I don't really fill that in for that. I do give them that information, but it's not in my planner. So this is like the year at a glance. So August to January, and then it goes from February to July on the next page. And then take notes, some notes, dot grid here. Wake up, teach kids, be awesome. To-do list, I guess. This is cute. Very similar to the stickers that they give you. Where are my stickers? Uh-oh, what did I do with them? Yeah, similar. A little bit of a different design, like background, but the same style of pencil and things like that. I really like that. So that's August. And here's the calendar, notes, the little apple there. And they have some dates here. I add my own because they don't have every holiday or every important date, especially me, I'm in Canada. Some holidays that are in the States, we don't really acknowledge or celebrate in Canada, and the reverse. So I will obviously put my own in here, but women's equality. This is cute, the pencils with the apple, little paper airplane. So that's the layout, same as they've done in previous years. It's all the same design there. Holidays this month, so they have that here. And then the future depends on what you do today. Gandhi. Okay, Positive Thinking Day. Oh, that's a new one. I never heard of that one. And it's the exact same layout in the middle, so I don't have to flip through all of those. It's the same. I like this. Kind of wish this was a cover. I do really like that. My previous Happy Planner books, they have the books at the front, and I just really like it. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. Martin Luther King Jr. Okay, and it's different. Now they have an apple. It always had the apple. My bad. It always had the apple. It's this. That's, yeah, okay. I thought that had changed, but it's not. Anyways, so flipping through. The best teachers tell you where to look, but don't tell you what to see. Interesting. I like that. Very basic design here. Just squiggly lines. December, one child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. Malala, yes. Love her. The future of the world is in my classroom today. Ivan Wilton Fitzwater. Neat. Teachers help us grow. Again with those squiggles and that apple again. This is just a blank. It's kind of like a foil here. I don't know what color this is. Like a turquoise? No, maybe turquoise. But like a foil. It's cute. So there's that. April, see possibilities everywhere and reach for your dreams. May, teachers help us grow. There's a bunch of paper clips. Foiled paper clips. Let me see if you guys can see that up close. Cute. Okay. June, teach, love, inspire. I also wouldn't mind if this was the cover. July, I cannot teach anybody anything. I can only make them think. Okay. Here, teaching is a work of heart. I like that. Again, that could be the cover too. I like that little notebook with the pencil. And happy notes and some grid paper there. And the checklist. Very basic. Yeah. They give you a few checklist pages. Actually, did they give us more? No, I think this is... Yeah, this is usually the amount they give us. They also give us usually give us like a little note page, but they didn't give us that this year. Or maybe this is what it is supposed to be. I guess that's it. It's not much. They don't usually give you much. They want you to buy it separately. Oh, the back is cute. It has a little washi tape. Believe, teach, inspire. Oh, maybe that. Oh, remember when I told you that this looked like it had some words on it? I think that's what it is. Because this looks like it's a part of the word believe. Yes, you see? I knew what I was talking about. But that, I really like, I wish that kind of was the front. I do really like that. You guys don't think that's cute? I like that. Anyway, it's not. That's the front. That's okay. I do like it. I do like the blues here. And yeah, I think when I change this out to gold, I will like it even more. Because I don't know. I'm not a big red person. I don't know. But it does have that little gold foiling there. So the gold... It'll bring out the gold in the cover when I change it to the gold rings. Actually, should I do that now? Should I do that now, guys? Maybe I'll do that now. Okay. So my setup video, we'll skip that part in my setup video. And I'll just do it now. So I just want to see what it'll look like. I can envision it in my brain, but I want to see how much more I will like it. Okay, let me just take this off. And oh my, these are Melissa proof packaging. My. There we go. So you just Yeah, so this is the size difference between the two rings. Yeah. All right, that's it. I have changed the rings. I do like it better with the gold rings as opposed to the red. I do think that looks better. So I hate changing the rings. That's such a task that is just not fun for me, but yeah, did it. I kind of just like to flip through the pages here just to kind of loosen it up a bit. Yeah. There we go. There we go. So that is it. Cute planner. It'll serve its purpose, and I'll do more videos on how I set up my planner, how I use it, and hopefully you'll find those videos helpful. Thank you so much for visiting. If you liked my video, thumb it up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.